How's it going, FORZA friends? We're here at MotoSmart with Raúl Franco, and we're going to visit the plant to learn about all their production processes. Let's go, Raúl. How long have you been here in this space?
We've been here for 5 years. 5 years. We started with small-scale manufacturing. Actually, only this area over here was for manufacturing, and this part was like the distribution area, like a warehouse or something like that, like a small warehouse and packing area. This is the welding area, where the parts are assembled and also sealed. And here, for example, this welding process that's being done, the laser cutting is also done on the plates, right? Here on the small plates is where all our laser cutting happens. That's really all our laser cutting.
And before there was the laser with plasma in the post-production area for deburring, was that also done here?
No, the deburring was done all over the place because everyone was deburring since it was a process. That was very tedious. There were a lot of people, so when we got rid of the deburring area, we also reduced the workforce. Now it's more about their expertise. That's right, yes, of course. Because besides it was a process of, I don't know, deburring. I'm telling you, we used to deburr 2,000, 3,000 pieces in a single day. So just imagine all the wear and tear.
How many pieces did you produce per week with plasma and deburring, and how many do you produce now with laser cutting?
Well, actually, in a week, we almost quadrupled our production. And obviously, since there's no more deburring, the process is clean now. It doesn't go through anything else. Maybe if it needs a bend, it goes through the bending process, but otherwise it goes straight through, so it's really fast. I mean, here's our tube bender. Right now it's not in operation because we're focusing all our efforts on the other product at the moment. This is the machine that does the bending. It's also numerically controlled. We have more than 300 products stored in there to be able to make different bends. We're already at the machine, the one that works the magic, the one that works the magic. The one that works the magic. Did this one arrive in November? It arrived in November. Oh, and it hasn't stopped since then? Honestly, we haven't had any issues regarding its operation, like technical problems or anything like that. No manufacturing defects or anything. Just obviously, like with any machine, maintenance, some consumables like a lens or things like that, which, you know, wear out and need to be replaced. Things that, honestly, for us don't really cause any.
How many operators and how many people have been trained?
Right now, there are already 5 people who are trained to operate the machine on their own. Now?
Right now, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and there are 2 radiator taps. You were telling me. Yes.
Yes. How many of those are you making? Per day, we're making, I think, about 300 sets approximately. This is also a bending machine with numerical control, which obviously makes precise bends.
And then, does this radiator plate have any further post-processing, or does it go straight to packaging?
No, it goes straight to packaging.
If you want to tell me a bit about which brands or the
things, well, look, we proudly manufacture for esteemed companies like Yamaha, for Honda, for Bayash, for Italica, and for Bento. Does the
design of the products also form part of this process, or do they just send them to you directly? No?
We handle the entire design process ourselves. From scratch, I mean, that's the concept.
Basically the whole thing, completely.
The painting is done on this side here with the guys, the painters. Right now, as you can see, this part is a bit on hold because we're putting a lot of effort into the parts that don't require painting. However, we paint using electrostatic paint. It's a technique that uses a powder-based paint. Okay, and it's made, yes, it gives a matte effect, and its components include aluminum. It has aluminum and polyester, in which obviously the entire stainless steel booth is grounded with a negative charge, and the painting equipment sends it with a positive charge, which makes it adhere. But if you run your finger over it, it comes off. It has to go through a curing process, which is an oven bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the type of paint. And this is where the manufacturing process ends. Here they take out the racks we saw earlier and let them cool down. Then they start to take them down and bring them into this area. The packing area itself has a slight noticeable texture, kind of a corrugated surface, and this is really where the crucial final check is meticulously done. The dedicated person in charge of the entire packing process is the very first individual to visually inspect the product and promptly notice if there's anything at all unusual or out of place. If so, they immediately take it to the designated quality correction area, and then it's carefully determined whether it ultimately passes or regrettably does not.
As for sales in the showroom, like I said, all the effort is worth it, and we have to sell.
Of course. We have a showroom in another location where the sales team is based. It consists of a manager and 4 salespeople. They really are our sales force. They're the ones who have direct contact with the customer. They're constantly prospecting through our social media. That's great. And that's where we're strong.
This is where the MotoSmart production process ends. We're here in the showroom in the state of Mexico, and that's all for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is FORZA Laser. See you next time.